nigga. Y'all better call the motherfucking man, the po-pos, the jakes, the rollers, anything y'all wanna do, nigga. Cause y'all mean mugging us in here. Y'all talking motherfucking loud and shit. Breathing hard like a motherfucker, like y'all been running for all your damn life and shit. But nigga, we gotta show y'all niggas so. Ain't no need to talk loud, nigga. Cause nigga, we with Drama City now, nigga. We ain't with no bullshit, nigga. What the fuck, nigga? Y'all wanna hold my nigga tracks and shit, nigga. But niggas all good, boy.
Why you bring the hard? Why you mean mugging? Why you talking loud? Nigga, you ain't thugging. Gon' get mad, gon' get crunk. Throw a temper tantrum, ho, I'm running to the trunk. Why you breathing hard? Why you mean mugging? Why you talking loud? Nigga, you ain't thugging. Gon' get mad, gon' get crunk. Throw a temper tantrum, ho, I'm running to the trunk. I'm going to the trunk for the pump. Nigga, be here when I get back. You gon' leave here in a bag with your wig crack. You ain't with that. Nigga, gon' let your lips flap. Fuck around, show up at your crib where your kids at. With a Mac, AK, 12 gauge, Tech 9. Check a nigga dome for trying to disrespect mine. Boy, it's bedtime, go to sleep, fuck nigga. Close your eyes, gotta die. Rest in peace, fuck nigga. Can't that motherfucker fuck with us, why try? Press him up, hit him up, he bleeding and throw him up. Leave him stuck on the corner pick him up, zip him up, zip lock. Boy, should've had his shit cocked and loaded. I hold it and told it, I'm with my army. Drinking here and smoking Joe, the same color as Barney. These niggas wanna harm me, I keep up my guard. Let this clip off and leave him on the floor, breathing hard.
I keep my eye on the spare, a couple sons in my bag. These player hater trying to play a nigga close like a shadow. Road gets now, soon as I get close to the finish. Smoking spinach, got that work, coming straight from the chemist. You want it, come get it. Bitch nigga, come and see the lieutenant. Slide the fire out, you haters, before you finish your sentence. Give me a minute, money come in large amounts, in large accounts. So much you can hardly count. I do it for fun, hit you make you come for long. I can choke your ass out until you swallow your tongue. Mama's only son, only one you bitches is done. Knock a hole in your head with the back of my gun.
Why you breathing hard? Why you mean mugging? Why you talking loud? Nigga, you ain't thugging. Gon' get mad, gon' get crunk. Throw a temper tantrum, ho, I'm running to the trunk. Why you breathing hard? Why you mean mugging? Why you talking loud? Nigga, you ain't thugging. Gon' get mad, gon' get crunk. Throw a temper tantrum, ho, I'm running to the trunk.
Represent your hood, where you from, what you claim, bro, what you looking at? Cause my boys bout that danger. Niggas getting crunk in the club, throwing things up. I don't give a fuck, right here, you's a stranger. Puffin' on that stanker, leaning like a gangster. Mad cause the shot of telling people that you can't fuck. Hating on the player cause you can't see this paper. Hunting on me, daddy, put you closer to your maker. Never ever fake, bro, we some real niggas. Sugar Hill gonna deal with you, never chill with you. Make you click a nigga, spill liquor out your wheel, nigga. Cause I'm about to do the damn thing. Cause you flam, man, and your niggas get the same thing.
Why you mean mugging me? I stay G'd up, nigga. Throw your motherfucking D's up, nigga. Check his head, check his chest, I'm about to pull me a lick. I mean this whole boy shit, me and my clique don't lose. You make your pussy niggas sing the blues. Why you talking loud? I'm always in the south with the goals in my mouth. Make my niggas run up in your fucking house. Throw your ass in the trunk, gon' get crunk, assassin got the pump. Now you breathing hard, we bout to send your ass to God. Kill it cold in your car, you better put up your guard. Niggas tryna flex, leave your pussy ass wet. You know my set, Dixieland thoroughbred, I ain't never scared. Fuck around and get found by the riverbed.
Why you breathing hard? Why you mean mugging? Why you talking loud? Nigga, you ain't thugging. Gon' get mad, gon' get crunk. Throw a temper tantrum, ho, I'm running to the trunk. Why you breathing hard? Why you mean mugging? Why you talking loud? Nigga, you ain't thugging.